Hello traders. It's MaxBot channel again. I will conduct work with the help of neural network with the passability from 89 to 95%. And right now you can pick up 3 signals for free at the link in the description, and then buy this bot at a discount of 90%. The number of people who can get a discount, limited. Link in the description. After purchase signals are unlimited. Right now, I'm getting my first signal. The bot scans the market in 3 seconds. Lower. I enter the trade on the time frame of 2 minutes, the currency pair Australian dollar, Japanese yen. The entry point of the trade is $150. The bot in the message with the signal additionally indicates information about volatility and the impact of news on the price. Now these parameters are reduced. Now let's consider the logic of the signal. I will do a technical analysis on the TradingView service. Knowing the historical data, I will conclude why the robot could give such a forecast. So, the resistance areas kept the price at a certain level for the last half an hour. This is consolidation. A little bit earlier there was a roller coaster and buyers reached the local maximum. Now, after a characteristic consolidation, I assume that the stability of the situation and the inclusion of the bears and their volumes will lead to the continuation of the flat with a slight downward movement. Let's wait for the completion of the trade. Friends, we are running a comment contest on our channel. You can win $1,000 by performing just a few simple actions that do not require a lot of time. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a like to this video. And write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, only those who will watch the video till the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only one comment is accepted from one person. Spam and messages with the message "I want $1,000" are not allowed to participate. We will choose one winner using a randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in the Telegram channel, which is run by our team. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader. Subscribe soon. So, $121.50. The deal closed in the plus side. The robot's signal is correct, as well as the verdict of my technical analysis. Now, for a change, I will change the currency pair to Swiss franc, Japanese yen. The market entry amount is $200. 2 keystrokes in the robot's menu and it realizes that it is time to give a signal. Higher side. You need to press the green button in pocket option in this case. Additional information about the signal in the message. News background is heavy, volatility is high. And now I will take a look at the historical data again to understand the logic of the robot in issuing this forecast. The volume indicator speaks about consolidation in the last minutes, although an hour ago there was a clear preponderance in favor of buyers. Support areas look like steps. Although the buyers could not keep the price at the same level, they did not let it collapse. There was a smooth movement to lower and flat. But now the stochastic oscillator and the price bounce from the support area tells us about a local trend reversal at a minimum. I am sure that this is why the bot believes that the trade will close in the plus side in case of a higher side. I am sure that it has done the technical analysis in a similar way. The bot can also use candlestick analysis, price action, and 30 indicators. Working on this structure, you will become millionaires. The bot knows everything that its developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. There is also an option available in the robot, which is its huge advantage: 27 currency pairs for over-the-counter trading. Thanks to this option you can work even on weekends and holidays, even at late hours of the day when the exchanges are asleep. To get a list of OTC currency pairs, you just need to send the bot the command /OTC. MaxBot will instantly understand you and provide you with a list of currency pairs. Meanwhile, the deal is closing and the buyers were able to go higher for a moment, securing our result. The account received $176. The robot was accurate in its prediction and my technical analysis confirmed it. Now it's time for the final trade, which I will conduct to consolidate the positive result and to build on the success. New currency pair, Australian dollar and US dollar. The investment amount is $500. I quickly press the keys in the menu and get a recommendation from the artificial intelligence, which reads the situation lightning fast. The signal is higher. Volatility and news backdrop is showing strength right now. I entered the market by clicking on the green button on the broker's website. Now I will give a final review of the situation on the TradingView service. I search for the currency pair Australian dollar, US dollar. It is very important to see the whole picture, to look into the past in order to infer events that are very likely to happen in the future. This is exactly how top traders operate, and you should definitely learn it regularly and modernize your trading strategy. Now pay attention to the chart. On the histogram of tick volumes during the past hour, we can observe a great activity of bulls. Their volumes are strong, especially in the last minutes. And it is logical that after the downtrend there was a moment with a bounce from the support area and a trend reversal to the higher side. After that there was a consolidation. Taking into account that the bears are still sleeping, I predict the continuation of the flat movement with a gradual high side of the price. These factors should be enough to be able to close the deal in plus on the short time frame. And we are working on just such a time frame. 2 minutes is our expiration time. MaxBot is able to multiply your deposit by 3 on the first day of operation. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. By the way, some more important information for you. After purchasing the robot, you will get access to a private VIP chat room where the market is analyzed by an experienced team. There, the team analyzes various current market situations and shares fresh signals. And now look at the screen. I'm showing you testimonials from users who are already working together with artificial intelligence and earning large sums with MaxBot. Join this great team of leaders. Link in the description. So, here are the final results. The deal closed in plus thanks to the accurate signal. $390. Total profit for 3 operations $687.50. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and click on the bell to not miss new interesting videos. Bye.